Welcome back to Brildor, your English personalization channel. If you have an e-commerce or are planning on having one, you'll know that packaging is key for an online business. The package is the first impression you make on your customers, so it must look perfect. In this video, we're going to show you how to personalize packaging in a simple and affordable way, using screen printing and a vinyl cutter. Want to know how? Let's get started. Ordering custom boxes can be expensive for a small business with a low sales volume or that needs different types or shapes of packaging. That's why we always look for the easiest and cheapest option. What we suggest is the screen printing. Now, you might think that this is a difficult and pricey technique, but we're going to explode that myth. Equipment needed. To personalize your own boxes, you will need your favorite vinyl cutter, adhesive vinyl, transfer tape, screen printing ink, a screen, a squeegee, and a hinge placed on a table. And of course, the main item, boxes, which you can get in our online shop, Brildor.com, under the packaging category. What screen and ink to choose? There are different types of screen printing inks, such as acrylic, vinyl, or plastisol inks. Today, we will be using a lacquer, a water-based ink for good coverage. We will soon supply specific inks for paper, where you can create any color with just lacquer and some pigment. This will air dry without any problem, as you will see in our examples. As for the type of mesh, the higher the mesh count, the more definition it will have, and the less ink you need to deposit. Let's try this out with a 77T and 43T mesh screens. Packaging branding. Create your design and cut it in mirror mode using your favorite vinyl cutter on a self-adhesive vinyl with good adhesion. It doesn't matter what color you use. Once cut, print it out. Stick a piece of transfer tape to lift the vinyl off the liner. Place the design on the screen and scrape it on so that it sticks well and there are no bubbles left. Protect your workspace with a self-adhesive protective film. Block off the rest of the screen with the leftover vinyl and some tape to avoid getting your packaging stained. Place the screen on the hinge that we have previously installed on the table and secure it. Lay the box and mark where it's placed with a pen. Use a few cardboard pieces of the same height as stoppers and stick them with masking tape so you can quickly put the box back in the right place. Now add 2 other small pieces to the wooden frame to give yourself a little off contact from the box so the ink doesn't stain it. Prep the ink. Mix white lacquer with your preferred pigments. We have used black and blue to make a bluish back. Stir well to get a smooth mixture. Place the ink at the top of your design. Dip the tip of the squeegee and cover the screen with ink. Now drag the squeegee at a 45 angle and pull the ink through the screen. Lift it, take the box away and repeat the process for the rest of the packaging. As you can see, the results are amazing, but remember the water-based inks dry out quickly and will not clear all the way. You can use a retarder or scrape it all off and start again. Now let's use a higher mesh screen to print a cardboard box. Cut the vinyl with a cutting machine and with your design. Lift it using a transfer tape and stick it onto the screen. Place the screen on the hinge and line up the box with the design. Put some stoppers to align the rest of the boxes. Cover the exposed areas with tape. This time, we will only be using the white lacquer. Lay the ink on the screen. Grab the squeegee at a 45-degree angle and medium pressure swipe all the way down your artwork. Open the screen up to reveal the result. Repeat the same steps on the rest of the boxes and let them air dry. You can now assemble the boxes and place your products inside. In a few easy steps, you will have improved your customer's experience and stepped up your brand. If you prefer something permanent, we recommend you expose the screen since the durability of vinyl is limited. An exposed screen can be cleaned and reused again and again. We will show you how to expose screens in future videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any screen printing content. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and TikTok for daily ideas, news and offers. See you soon!